Solve the absolute value of 3 minus 6b plus 5 equals 56. In order to do that, we need to be aware of two things. We're going to do it on Solve It by Graphing on TI and Inspire. So we need to be aware. In order to do that, we need to make sure that we change the b variable to an x, because Inspire does not graph in b's, it graph in x. X must be the independent variable. And so we're going to take the equation, and basically we're going to let the left hand side be f of x, or f1 of x, and we'll let the right hand side, 56, be f2 of x. Okay, so let's do that part first. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to start with a brand new graph here. And actually, I've already used F1 and F2 before on another problem. So that everything is really clear, I'm going to go ahead and just start off with a new problem. Okay, so let's go to graph. And we're going to let F1 of x be equal to the left-hand side of the problem, which is, let's get an absolute value. We go to the template key here, about a 9. And we've already, it's way over here on the far right of the top row. Click there. And we need, I believe it was 6 minus, oh, no. It was 3 minus 6. And we're not going to use a b, we're going to use x. And we're going to add 5. This is the entire left hand side of the problem. So let's go down. And let's let F2 be the right-hand side, which is 56. If we press enter right now, all we can see is just a little piece of the problem. We can't see the whole graph because our window is too small. So let's go to menu, 4, and let's zoom out. I'm going to center it about right here where the other graph is. And just keep pressing enter until I see both graphs and the intersections, which there are 2 of them. That means we have 2 answers. Let me go ahead and hit an escape here. I'm gonna move this out the way so that you can see. All right, that's what we did to the equation. All right, so let's now, in order to solve this equation, we are going to, let me go to page 2 here. Yeah. So now we're going to use menu 6-4 to find the intersection point or points. In this case, there are 2 points. And then we're going to use the x value. Any intersection point, the x value is the solution to the equation. So let's go to menu 6-4. And I'm just going to type menu 6-4. And you're going to move the cursor to the left of the intersection point and then to the right of it. And that gives you the -8. That's our first solution. Let's do it again. Menu 6-4. We're going to put the cursor on the left of the intersection point, not on the intersection point because you really don't know where it is, and then to the right. And now you have the second point. Let me move these out the way. And now you can see clearly that our solution is our x value is -8 and then we have a +9. So, and we just, that's it. That's all it is. So, in conclusion, and if I can go all the way down here, the solutions to the equation are -8 and +9. And that's the video.